Vladimir Tatlin. Vladimir Tatlin, 1885–1953, was a prominent Russian avant-garde artist and architect, born in Kharkov, Ukraine, then part of the Russian Empire. He played a crucial role in the development of the Russian avant-garde movement during the early 20th century. Tatlin's contributions were not limited to a single artistic discipline. He was involved in painting, sculpture, and architectural design. Tatlin came from a working-class background, and his early exposure to art came through his father, a railway engineer who also made amateur art. Tatlin's early life was marked by a series of jobs, including icon painting and working in a factory. In 1902, he began formal art education at the Moscow School of Painting, Sculpture, and Architecture, where he studied until 1904. Tatlin's artistic influences evolved over time, ranging from symbolism to Cubism and Futurism. His exposure to European modern art movements during travels to Paris deeply impacted his work. Tatlin was particularly influenced by the ideas of Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque, as well as the Italian Futurists. Additionally, his engagement with Constructivism and the Russian Revolution profoundly shaped his artistic and ideological outlook. Tatlin's engagement with Italian Futurism, especially the ideas of Filippo Tommaso Marinetti, contributed to his interest in dynamic forms and the fusion of art and technology. The political and social upheavals in Russia, including the 1917 October Revolution, further fueled Tatlin's commitment to creating art that aligned with the new Soviet ideals. In the early 1910s, Tatlin created a series of paintings that combined elements of Cubism and Futurism, marking his departure from traditional artistic conventions. Tatlin is best known for his counter-reliefs, three-dimensional constructions that incorporated industrial materials such as iron, glass, and wood. These works sought to break the boundaries between art and life, reflecting the spirit of the Russian Revolution. One of Tatlin's most ambitious and famous works, this unrealized project was conceived as a monument for the Communist International. The tower, with its dynamic structure and intended use as a propaganda tool, became an iconic symbol of the avant-garde. Despite never being built, it remains a key representation of constructivist ideals. Tatlin also worked on various architectural projects that aim to integrate art and technology, aligning with the principles of constructivism. Vladimir Tatlin's contributions to the avant-garde movement, particularly constructivism, had a lasting impact on the course of modern art and architecture. His ideas and designs continued to be influential, and his legacy showcases the innovative spirit of the early 20th century Russian avant-garde.